guys, good morning. For today's video guys, ako ay sumaklay ng manicure pedicure sa isang client ko na. Tapos bumili na ako ng tubig dito, zero water. Kaso grocery ko ng konti, wala na kasi sigarilyo doon. Bumili na ako. Nagagalit yung anak ko kasi wala siya katulog. Bumili na akong tubig guys. Dumaan na rin ako ng Palawan, bayad na ako ng aking utang. Nag-renew ako ng okay guys, wait lang na. Isa na lang naman. Doon na yung sa likod ilala. Isa lang naman na guys. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Ito pala, bigay ng anak ko. Bigay niya ako pati na lang guys. Hindi ko alam kung ako'y tatagal sa kanya sa binigay. Para daw sa akin pag Valentine. Thank you kuya. Ayan na, alas na tayo guys. Kasi kailangan natin na thank you kuya. Thank you kuya. Madali ako eh. Ayan guys, dito na ako sa grocery ni Aling kasi kailangan ng anak ko ng katulong. So ayun, nagmamadali ang ating peg guys. Kailangan daw niya ng baso. Maghahanap tayo ng baso lang. Coffee ko. Oh, ba't ang dilim? Hanap tayo ng coffee ko black. Coffee ko brown. Coffee ko brown. Coffee ko blanca pala guys. Coffee ko blanca. Tapos, baso. Hanap tayo ng baso guys. Kasi cup noodles din pala. May kumain dun kanina. Lagyan natin ng tagitagisang cup noodles. Spicy beef. 3 lang. Tapos, sige na nga, nagdagang ko. Isa pa. Ayan. So, ayun. Meron silang parang ang laki. Ano pa nga ba yun? Sinabibili ng mantika. Kahit isa. Isa lang nito. Mag-lock out ako. Kukuha akong guys. Biscuit sa 20 biscuit. Dito yun. Maraming tao dito guys. Wait lang. Dito na lang tayo dumaan. Nagalit na naman yung anak ko. Ito. Biscuit dito. Skyflakes. Sorry, disco. Ayun, andito guys. Sige ba? Skyflakes. Tapos, kita. Pwede na siguro. Ayan. Tapos po akong plus at saka excuse me be. Kuha na lang akong plus guys at saka yun lang kailangan naman ng card kasi nagmamadali ako. Candy. Snowber at saka nasaan na ba yung mint nila? Bubble gum. Judge. Nandiyan sila yung isang klase, wala na yung isa. Apple na lang. Yan, pwede na yan. Tapos isang plus apple. Apple na lang guys. Okay. Ito lang, isa lang. Okay na to. Okay na muna to guys. So wait lang guys, magbabayad lang ako sa counter. Di pwede ka dyan. Ayun, pwede siya. Pwede siya dito. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Check pa yung bag ko yan. Tsaka na kasali ka sa vlog ko. Mag-hi ka muna.
Vlogger ka. Hi.
Ayun na resibo ko. Thank you. Chinik ni kuya yung bag ko. Baka daw may dala akong coffee blanca. Charot. Meron nga pero binayaran ko guys. Guys, thank you guys. Diyan na kayo. Madali tayo guys eh. Ayun. So, madali tayo ha. Wait lang guys. Hintayin nyo ako doon sa bahay. Wait lang ha. Saglit lang guys. Bibili lang tayo ng 20 pesos na kalamansi. Kasi wala na tayong kalamansi sa bahay. Madali lang ha. 20 para bibili tayo. Okay na. Ayan. 40 lang. Thank you. Ayan na. Nakabili na tayo ng kalamansi guys. Ayan na tayo. Bilisan na natin. Nagagalit na yung aking anak eh. Nagmamadali tayo guys. Kinabalas na ako guys eh. Wait lang guys ha. See you on store guys. Hindi muna kayo. Ayun, nandito na ako guys. Wait lang ha. Wait lang guys. Ito na oh. Lagay ko na dito. Sorry. Ubus na, as in ubus na yung kalamansi mo. Ayan, andito na ako guys sa store. May laro kasi guys, kaya ayun. Saglit nga lang, dinali-dalian ko na yung pagbibili.
At madali doon.
Ano? May mga nakapila din naman dun eh.
Nag-load po kayo?
Ano yung load nyo? May load ka diba? Load mo si kuya, globe. I-load mo na si kuya, merong laman ng Gcash mo eh. So ayun, nandito na tayo guys. Mag-ano na muna ako. Maglilig-lig. Marami rin naman kumain ng siomay. Check natin yung marami din naman kumain ng siomay guys. Pangalawang layer na pala to. Wala na. Naubos na pala guys yung isang layer. So bababa ko lang yung mga tubig guys. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Okay na labas. Wala nang basahan. Walang basahan guys. Mga basahan dito.
Homework, they came to show the girls how it's done. This outfit, quintessential outfit, gets everything.
She said all individual latex. I mean, the person who made this must have been burning the candle at both ends.
Exactly.
What would you just Six data plus 5
May nagpapating ng kape sa'yo?
That's for 3 days.
Ah! Okay lang, sige lang.
Kaya pala. nagtataka ako bakit. Ito po. Ayan, may baso. Saan yung tabi ko ay? Ano, wait lang po kaya. Tatlong ano yun, original. Ano po yung load nyo po? Sa ano din po? Sa ano po yan? Number po? 138 Giga video. Giga video ba tayo? Waiting for your number 0918-772-158. Aso ba na po? Check na lang po. Nandun na ako blue. Asan na naman? Dalawang samay na yan? Yun yung dalawang samay? Tama ba? Kanya ba? Ito, 450. Alam mo, May, yung bumibili ng kape na yun, bumili siya. So, umalis siya, akala ko yung kumukuha yung kasama niya. Pinigay ako, wala nga akong bago. Umalis ulit siya. Biniyaran ko. Yun yung kausap. Kasi doon naman sabi, alis ng alis. was Morphe.
You know where to go for the mecca of gaming. It's right here, and you know that's right. So make sure you click to subscribe so you never miss it.
Get this footage. Get this footage. Look at my footage. Celebrity feet got my No. How can I have feet pictures on there? I was just like I was just happy to be exploited. Wow. I wasn't on any celebrity feet got I was on celebrity. Hi, it's Trixie Mattel, and welcome to Pit Stop, the show where we recap RuPaul's Drag Race Season 16. Today we're on episode 13. We've had a lot of newcomers this season, but back on the Pit Stop, the pride of Milwaukee, Jada, Essence, Molly, people screaming. Thanks for having me, Trixie. I'm back it up. I'm great. I'm doing a lot. It was giving almost 4 years. I still feel like the engine's still trucking along. You honestly were my favorite driver because I was watching when you won. Yeah. What is it like to win Drag Race and then close your mouth and just sit there?
Kapan lima dito?
It's very intimidating. Mango. Like 12, 13. Not longer than acting. Girl, yes, you. I'm an old drag bitch. Okay, I remember going out there and saying you were so beautiful and people look back and drag and look horrible. You've never looked horrible. It's the same. I'm gonna tell you this. I feel like, she said, yeah, for sure. I know you drag like evolve over time, like eventually, like change makeup stuff, things change. But I was more from like having a relationship with like just a woman. Just go out and look like a woman, meaning I had no makeup. And jeans. This for tippy toeing to get a shot at the club in actually we're talking, I had that shit one time for that one, which I was really lucky about your dog. We had the viewer question, yes. We came to the pit stop last time to start. An elderly woman calls from California, Bianca. This is the thing, I love elderly people, but sometimes they are very disrespectful. People want to know where's the money that you from. Bianca, whoever you are, if there's anything that I've taken from work, let me say this straight to you. If there's anything I've ever taken from work, it's what I deserved, mama. When I came here, you should give me this cup. Because now I feel like I know who you are. You're angry as old. Beautiful girl. She should have pulled up and said, she would have came. You know, but the guy gets like broke. I broke it at Vegas on accident. It just fell. And then gag. Now we have fun. Ano po yun? I'm taking this book. And I'm probably taking that book. I have a few more episodes left. Okay. Let's get into this deal. Last time we saw Dawn sashay away after making it to the top 6. What do you think about her? I love Dawn. She's a really fun person. I love her energy. I love her character. But she has an ass.
Ma, wala ka ng space sa phone!